Welcome back, my math detectives. It's time for looking at some math problems again together. This time, I want you to pay close attention to my number sentence. You need to get your paper that has this word problem at the top and a dry erase marker. Here we go. Spot had 10 bones. He hid 8 bones in the ground. How many bones does he have now? Draw his bones. Well, here's my math drawing. 10 bones. He hid 8 in the ground. How many bones does he have now? Here's the number sentence that I wrote. Over here, I want you to really pay close attention to the number sentence and decide if I made any mistakes. Use the number bond and the math drawing to help you and write the correct number sentence that goes with it. Remember in your seesaw video, talk to me about the mistake I made and how you know that your number sentence is correct.